What's up, guys? Welcome back. We are here at Bott Yamaha picking up some more parts because I decided to wreck mine last week. Now all we got to do is go put a little clip on the side panel. Got a new cover for the air box, and we got some heavy duty vent covers, so no more tearing those things. I already have a hole in the one side that's not broken, so I needed those anyways. But seriously, check out Bott Yamaha for all your sled needs. They're really good to work with. And Brady obviously doesn't care if he blows a belt or not. He's just been riding with a single belt, no spare at all. So hooked him up with a new belt, so he has a spare just in case he does blow one. But yeah, seriously guys, if you ever need anything sled related, let him know. Bott's really good to work with. We work with Matt a lot. He's a really good salesman, so check him out. Peace out. Peace out. You gonna say hi?
Dude, look at that beautiful statue.
Oh my god, is that the Statue of Liberty?
It's the Statue of Liberty. Holy, dude, are you the Statue of Liberty?
Brady.
Yeah.
Help!
I need some help.
No one's coming for us.
Please help me. Help!
Brady needs help.
Where are you hiding?
Just yell, I need assistance.
Don't. Get away from me.
Yell,
I need assistance.
What is it, about 12 o'clock? Gotta change a tire, last minute stuff, like always. Fun stuff.
What the hell is a trip that's planned?
Exactly.
All the other guys decided to go to ride their sleds. We're ready for some warmer weather. We're pretty excited to go ride our dirt bikes. Stay tuned. Could you look at this dirty old whore? She's filthy. She needs some washing.
I got you.
Jeremy gotta wash this thing.
Here, I'll wash
She's
it
in
for
rough shape.
him. I'll wash it for him.
Rudy better wash it. There he goes.
And
Some spit lube. We got Dylan over there pounding on a tire, getting it on.
What you doing here, Jeremy?
Well,
You gonna show us how to install a skins front bumper for a Ski Doo 850?
it's not professionally done. But apparently we have to drill through the bulkhead. I didn't originally know that, but
What do you gotta drill out?
it's here. So there's these little marks right here and here. Gotta drill a 1/4-inch hole in those, and then these mount to those. And then I gotta drill through my plastics and attach the bumper to these. So should be pretty easy. I just hate drilling, like especially through the bulkhead. That's scary. So here we go.
Hope your insurance doesn't watch this.
Uninvited, left home in West LA. I'm not excited, so uninspired. On my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah, she needs.
Got the skids bumper on. Seems to be pretty stout. Should be good enough. But just a forewarning for you, those of you guys that want anything like this, I guess you have to drill your bulkhead, which was really easy. But I know some people don't like screwing with that stuff, so just a heads up. And for all you guys that have taken your like pipes and cans and stuff off, you know those springs can be a pain. And there's probably a lot of guys that do this, but here's an easy tip on how to get your springs back in. Take a rope or a wire, hook it on the spring, and then pull. Just like that. That way you're not trying to get pliers down in there where it's tight and busting your knuckles. Easy. Easy.
Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more.
And just like that, she is ready to go. New bumper, missing windshield, and we got good vents on her now. So, should be ready to ride, hopefully. No more problems this year. No more. Brady finally decided he wanted to ride somewhere new, so we're gonna go to Preston tomorrow. Don't know what the snow conditions are like. Should be pretty good, and I guess that wraps up tonight. So we'll see you first thing in the morning.
How was the ride?
Fantastic. What are we doing today?
We're going to Preston. Make some sleds.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Somebody finally got out of bed.
He's getting his morning stretches in there on the sled.
Look at him. Still got bed head. All red faced. It was a long night. It was a long night.
Monkey? A monkey? On a snowmobile.
Burp this thing yet? Don't overfill it.
Whoa!
I'll kill you.
That was close. Burp!
Here.
Oh, now you're in charge?
I don't care.
Neither do I.
Burp!
Good miss.
Oh.
Good night.
Whoa.
More deeper.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
That's as deep as I can go.
I got it.
I tried.
Whoa, easy, easy. Whoa, you about overfilled it.
That's your problem. You're the one filling it. Easy, Bob. How much fuel did you use last night?
I barely used any.
Jesus, do you even ride this thing? God. A monkey?
Fun fact, Utah drivers suck. 55 and a 65. Come on.
It is the truth. I mean, sorry for anybody from Utah that's watching, but
You guys suck at driving.
dude, I'm friends with so many people from Utah on Facebook, and they are always like, people in Utah suck at driving. Oh, we missed our turn. So we're just going for a little drive. It's after this corner. Okay, we found the right road, but now we gotta find another road. So we'll keep you guys updated. I think we got it figured out, but
We had to phone a friend.
yeah, we had to call Jody. What?
And a peanut bottle, dude. I gotta go.
We found it, guys. We found it. bad. Hey there, bud.
Hey there, bud. You ready to send this, bud?
Oh, full send, bud. I've always wanted to climb that, but don't screw it up. Oh, by the way, we got a bunch of boys enjoying summertime, so go see them.
Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to Hagerman today. We just got unloaded. We're ready to rock and roll. We got all the bikes here, ready to go. We're excited. We got a few new riders today, so we'll see how it goes. Jesus, look.
Was it cool?
I got it on video.
How was that leaking, Rudy?
I started going slower because I seen you land all stuff.
Oh, dude.
Yeah, boy! I'll follow you!
bike. Got a little loud on him for a minute. Nothing a couple zip ties won't fix.
Don't you love me, love me, love me?